In today's global economy, the workers need to be equipped with the skills and knowledge to successfully compete for jobs. According to the National Science Board, the changing workforce requirements mean that the workers need even more sophisticated skills in science, mathematics, engineering, and technology. Overall, scientific and engineering-related occupations are expected to continue to grow more rapidly than occupations in general. Students planning to work in the fields of science, engineering, and technology need to prepare themselves by having a solid understanding of mathematics, so they are able to apply their knowledge of math to solve real-life, everyday problems.
In the environmental science field, math is used in a variety of ways, from taking flow measurements on how fast a stream is moving or how quickly fluid is making its way through a pipe.
If you're going to be successful in this field, you really have to have a good grip on your algebra and your math in general, but you really have to have a good grip, because then once you understand algebra, then that better helps you understand chemistry.
The Environmental Science and Technology program and Clover Park Technical College provide students with the necessary skills for a wide range of positions in the environmental science field. Students have the opportunity to learn a variety of skills, such as water quality monitoring, soil, water and air sampling, mineral identification, wetland mitigation and restoration, geographic information system mapping, and simulated hazardous waste site cleanup operations.
Once you learn the basic environmental science, then you can take that and specialize in anything you want.
Careers are available in both natural resource conservation and urban remediation fields. This program assists students in preparing for a position with the public or private sector employers. Potential job titles include environmental technician, natural resource technician, remediation worker, hazardous material handler, fisheries technician, and stormwater remediation operator.
I left the program with a good basic knowledge of just a broad range of environmental issues. There was just a wide range of things that the class covered. So my current position, working in a wastewater treatment plant in the lab, I'm just monitoring the wastewater treatment process from beginning to end. I'm looking for different parameters to let them know that the process is going smoothly. And even though my job isn't necessarily glamorous, but they have great benefits and good pay, it's a good job.
This environmental science and technology program takes about 6 quarters to complete. In addition to the environmental coursework, students must also complete courses in writing, math, and social science.
My advice for students coming into the program is to keep an open mind about what they're learning and about their own experiences while they're learning, and to take all of their core academic classes and don't wait until the end.
There are many job opportunities open to students who have completed the Environmental Science and Technology program at Clover Park Technical College. Having strong math skills is an important asset in this field.
What I really think the primary thing that math does, it develops soft skills in teaching critical thinking and problem solving in general.
By taking higher math in the workplace, students are benefited because it shows that they have advanced thinking processes and they can work their way through a problem. Also, it shows their employer that they have gone on and attempted higher level math and may get them a higher paying job because they've taken calculus.
I have had several interviews where they have actually wanted to look at my transcripts, and seeing the math courses on there that I have taken has definitely been in my pocket, and it really makes them interested in me as a new employee.
Math skills are important in this field. Technicians must calculate proper sample sizes and locations, then perform analysis of their results.
In my current job, I use math on a daily basis. When I'm working in the laboratory, I am using a lot of weights and measures and a lot of conversions. I use a lot of formulas that I have to work with. And in order to reach my next promotional level at work, I will be required to take calculus.
For students who are struggling with writing or math, it is recommended that they seek out help from their instructors.
If I have a student who's struggling in math, I advise them to get tutoring, and there is tutoring that's available here on campus.
They worked with me and they helped me get a better grasp on what it was that I was studying. And another thing that I did was I spent some extra time in the classrooms with the teachers because they were always willing to give me that one-on-one time.
A true advantage of the environmental science program is that it provides hands-on training designed to give students the skills they need to enter the workforce immediately. And the program also prepares students academically to pursue a bachelor's degree if they choose.
Once you get out into the industry, your 2-year degree is going to get you somewhere, and it's going to get you started, and it may get you your dream job, but it's really competitive out there in the environmental field right now, and it does help to have a bachelor's degree if you want to go further.
I suggest to my students that they all complete the requirements for the AAST degree, because I don't want my students to be limited. With the AAT degree, they can get a job in the field and they can do well in the field, but by getting the AAST degree, they have the opportunity to transfer on to another school, which allows them more opportunities for advancement in the future.
For more information about the Environmental Science program, please call Clover Park Technical College at 589-5800 or visit our website at www.cptc.edu.